Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. We are going straight to the Airbnb of Fitment Industries. This was kind of a surprise too. So we're gonna go to AutoZone, pick up some cleaning supplies and clean up the G a little bit, and then we'll head to the Airbnb, roll into the cars, and then we should be getting prepped for Fuel Fest. Alright guys, so we're about to do a cold startup on the G35. Waking up the whole damn neighborhood right now. Alright guys, so we just made it to the house. Got a FRS, BRZ. I don't even know these cars, but that shit looks sick. That shit has Lambo doors, wheel LED lights everywhere. It's insane. But alright guys, so we put the house address to meet up, but for some reason it gave us the wrong address. So we're all good now. They're right behind us. They're like in a Chevrolet Silverado. Bro, that's the Eclipse that was in TJ Hunt's video, I believe. Bro, those wheels are so nice. Guys, that's the brand new Z right there, bro. That's fire. The brand new Z. Aw, shit. Oh, fire, bro. Gotcha, bitch. Gotcha, bitch. Alright guys, so we're cleaning my car. I don't even know if this is really cleaning because look at all the dirt. This is my first car show. I've never done this car show thing, so it feels kind of weird, but there's always a first time for everything, so we're just gonna see how it goes and kind of roll with it. Alright guys, so if you guys end up being here in Fuel Fest, I was gonna say this is where we're gonna be at, but by the time I upload this video, you guys are gonna be like, well, what's the point? It's like Monday, Tuesday, so like finally got the car cleaned up, looking all shiny and shit. Look at that tire. Multi-millionaires. That's a lifestyle that I need. That's a lifestyle that I need, dummy. We're gonna get there, man. Don't you worry. There you go. Thank you. Yo. So you guys saw when we were rolling in that we saw the new 400Z. We gotta manifest this and make this happen, make it a reality, throw it out in the universe. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see how it is in person. This is the first time I ever seen it in person. And here it is. Bro, the gas cap is huge. Oh, that looks absolutely beautiful. What the hell, looks much better in person. Look at the elite club, bro. This shit go crazy. To go there. I don't know if we're gonna go. LA. I don't know if we're gonna go. So we're taking a little break. We had to eat breakfast, so we're eating a burrito, bro. I kid you not. I'm still stunned right now. So we go out to it, give me 2 burritos and an Arizona. You know, everybody knows Arizonas are $1. Sure, it's at an event, so maybe $2, $3 for the Arizona, no problem. But then we're pulling out like, you know, $5, $10 bills. We thought it was gonna be around 15, 20 something dollars, right? He goes, so 2 burritos and 1 drink, right? That's it? I'm like, yeah, that's it. He goes, oh, that's gonna be $44. Also, bro, me and my girlfriend, when I tell you we were too stunned to speak, we're like, huh? Like, did I hear that shit right? He's like, how much? He said 40, bro. How much are these damn burritos? 20 a piece, bro. Is it good though?
Yeah.
It's good at least. Oh, this is the first one. She's so sick, bro. Hell yeah. It's got the wing and everything. Alright guys, so you guys know on the G, all the valve stems are unmatched. So we'll see if we can get some new valve stems here. So wheels are silver. We're gonna go with some chrome ones since we have chrome tail lights now too. We got our valve stems. Let's go change them. Alright. Okay, this one isn't matched. Bro, I swear to God, this is the one from the bicycles. Like, damn, there's a bicycle one. Alright, so now we gonna match. Alright, let's move on. And there's a long ass line over here. Look. Look. Fire or what? Hell yeah, this shit's sick. Got a twin turbo setup, chrome engine. That shit's sick. Hey, what up, brother? How you doing? I was just like, hey, I recognize that car. I need the chrome wheels, chrome gold wheels, chrome wheels? Where are my chrome wheels? Where are my chrome wheels, buddy? Anyways, we just met JDVQ, bro. Awesome, dude. Dude, his G35 is pushing 470 wheel, low boost, 570 high boost, bro. That on stock internals, yo. Stock internals, that is ridiculous. Hell yeah, that's the boy Chris Gaines. Chris Gaines, that's a cool name, Chris Gaines. Whenever they ask him, hey, you be getting the gains? He's always gaining, bro. He's Chris Gaines. Oh my God. Look at the bass. Shit. My toxic trait tells me that I can drift. Okay? Low key, that shit looks so fun. Makes me want to do it. Green RX-7 was also at SEMA show on behalf of Toyo Tires. It was crazy, man. The build is insane. One of the best sounding cars ever. I love that car. Hella people, guys. Like, that thing go, and then that thing goes behind that building. You guys can see the people over there walking. That's crazy. We're about to go eat. Bro, so I was explaining to them that this key fob was from my underglow. Mine ripped off, you guys saw, because of a speed bump, but I was telling them that if other people bought it from Amazon, you can switch their LED lights too, and we just found a 350Z. We're about to switch his LEDs lights. Let's see. Look, turning on and off. See? We're gonna switch the color. Alright, y'all, the event is over. We're here at Chevron. Man, the G35 looks so good. I'm gonna make a video on the tail lights, okay? Don't worry, I'm gonna make a video on those. But we're putting the 85, 370. Freaking amazing. We're gonna put $35. But anyways, guys, I do want to say thank you guys. Thank you to everyone who showed up to Fuel Fest. It was absolutely amazing. The love here in SoCal is unreal. I did not expect that. You guys are freaking amazing. Super sick. Unforgettable moment. So thank you guys for all the support. And I think this is the end. I'm just going to go home, sleep, and edit this video. But that was that. And next event I plan to go to, I don't know. I don't really go to events too much. But I do want to go to SEMA again this year in November. So I'll probably be at SEMA. Probably not with the G. I don't know. Things may change. I might do something crazy again and ship the car. I don't know. But I'm going for SEMA for sure. All right, guys. 0 to 16. Here we go.